Ever wonder why you start the week with fire in your belly, but by Wednesday, you're just scrolling through charts and doing nothing? What's up, everyone? Welcome back to tokns.fi. Today, we are diving deep into the psychology of drive and how to actually stay motivated every single day. I'm going to show you exactly why your motivation crashes and give you a three-step system to ensure you never hit a wall again. Whether you're building a portfolio in the TX ecosystem or scaling a business in 2026, the laws of discipline are the same for everyone. The motivation myth. Most people think motivation is a feeling that just arrives. It's not. Motivation is a chemical spike, usually dopamine, that fades as soon as the novelty wears off. If you rely on feeling motivated to execute your trades or study DeFi, you've already lost. The secret is that professional investors and high achievers don't wait for motivation. They build systems that make motivation irrelevant. Step 1. The identity shift. Stop saying, "I'm trying to be disciplined," and start saying, "I am the type of person who doesn't miss a day." When you shift your identity, your brain seeks consistency to avoid cognitive dissonance. Check out the resources at coherencedaddy.com to see how aligning your mindset with your goals changes your output. Identity is the foundation. If you identify as a winner, the work becomes the reward, not the chore. Step 2. Micro wins and momentum. The biggest motivation killer is an overwhelming goal. $1 million sounds great, but it's too far away to feel real. Break your vision down into micro wins. Instead of mastering the TX ecosystem, make your goal read one white paper today. Every time you tick a small box, your brain releases a hit of dopamine, which fuels you to take the next step. Step 3. The environment audit. You cannot stay motivated in an environment designed to distract you. If your phone is buzzing with notifications while you're trying to analyze DeFi protocols, you're fighting a losing battle. Audit your circle. Are you surrounding yourself with people who talk about the future or people who complain about the present? Clean your workspace and curate your digital feed to reflect the version of yourself you want to become in 2026. Stop relying on feelings and start relying on systems. Shift your identity first, chase micro wins second, and optimize your environment third. Remember, the difference between where you are and where you want to be is the work you avoid. Stop waiting for the perfect moment to start. If you want more mindset shifts and blockchain insights, hit that subscribe button and join the tokens.fi community. Smash the like button if you're committing to your goals today. Comment "system" below if you're done relying on fleeting motivation.